Want to rank higher on search engines in 2025? Here's what you need to know. SEO is evolving each day. So today, let's learn how to optimize your website for search engines in 2025. This video will help you prepare and adapt to the upcoming trends and strategies. So let's dive right in. The importance of topic clusters and topical authority will increase further. Let's first understand what is topical authority. Topical authority means proving that your blog or website is the go-to resource in a specific niche. For example, if you're creating a website about fashion, you need enough content to demonstrate that your website comprehensively covers this topic. The next question is how to develop authority with topic clusters. Build pillar pages for major topics and create related subtopics around them. For fashion, your pillars could include men's fashion, women's fashion, fashion for kids, and maybe fashion accessories. Around these pillar topics, develop pages that address specific queries, like what shoes should I wear for a party? What tie can I pair with my shirt? This strategy of interlinked topic clusters helps build authority and improves ranking. In 2025, content-focused strategies will dominate. Next, you need to focus on having a well-structured website with strong internal linking. Why is this important? Indexing will remain a major issue as competition increases. If your website structure is poor and your internal linking is weak, your content might not get indexed properly, especially if the topic is oversaturated. What should you do in this particular case? Use a clear hierarchy of your site's structure. Link related pages internally to provide context to search engines and users. For example, if you have content on men's shoes, ensure it links to related pages like leather shoes, casual shoes, or maybe what shoes to wear for an interview. Good internal linking enhances the user experience, helps with indexing, and increases your chances of ranking higher. Growing importance of technical SEO. Technical SEO has always been critical, but its role will grow even further in 2025. With rising competition, optimizing your site's technical aspects will be necessary. Focus on improving page speed by optimizing your core web vitals. You can use Google PageSpeed Insights to get this information for your website. Second, schema markup. Use schema markup to help search engines understand your content and display rich snippets in search results. Such technical SEO practices ensures that your website remains competitive in search results. Balancing intent and conversion optimization. In 2025, also focus on conversion rate optimization along with search engine optimization to get best returns on investments. Features like Google's AI overviews are capturing potential traffic that was previously going to organic results, specifically the information-related queries. This means fewer visitors might reach your site, but the conversion rate optimization will help you with higher returns for the traffic you receive. The next question is how to adapt. Structure your content to guide users towards specific actions, maybe subscribing to a service, filling out a lead form, or purchasing a product. Use clear call to action strategies and build funnels to push users towards conversions. People visiting your site shouldn't just consume content, they should take actions that drive growth. Impact of AI tools on search. AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity are influencing how people search for information, reducing reliance on traditional search engines for certain type of queries. Don't worry. As per this post by Rand Fishkin, Google search yet dominates the overall search universe with 83%, and ChatGPT is yet only at 4.5%. So the next question is, how to stay relevant on Google in the age of AI? Focus on experience-driven content that AI cannot replicate easily. Remember, EEAT, that is, experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness, should become the DNA of your website. Use these tools to complement your SEO strategy instead of competing with them. I hope this gives you a clear picture on how SEO is evolving in 2025. Start working on these areas now to stay ahead of the curve. Yes, challenges like AI overviews and increased competition are real, but focusing on user intent, technical optimization, and CRO can help you continue to thrive in this changing search engine optimization landscape and get even featured on this AI overviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.